Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. We'd love to have you as part of our squad. Give me a thumbs up, and would you like to see my top shadow palettes so far of 2018? If you would, just keep watching. But I thought maybe I should expand it a little because there's quite a few more that I'm really loving and I want to share them with you. Not all of them have been shared on my channel. Probably most of them have, but not all of them have. So I wanted to share them with you and let you know what I'm loving right now, and as well as some that I know are going to be in my top 10 of 2018. So anyway, first I want to share with you some palettes that I haven't used yet that I totally anticipate to be totally good, but I haven't used them yet. Christian Dominique Latte palette. I think this is going to be really good. The reviews are really good. I think I'm going to like the coloring. I can't wait to use it, but you know, I just haven't had a chance yet. Oh my gosh, if I was wearing this color today, yes girl, these are inspiring. Anyway, I'll be wearing it soon and I'll let you know what I think then. This next one, you guys are not going to believe that I haven't worn it yet. I can't even believe I haven't worn it yet. But let me give you my disclaimer. It's summer. I spend a lot of time outdoors and don't always spend a lot of time fully made up in the summertime because it is so hot in Phoenix. But yes, girl. But she's gorgeous. I know I'm going to love her. I'm pretty sure it's going to be one of my favorites of the year. The other palette that I got, the bronze one, I love that. The quality is so good. I feel the same is going to be said for this one. Yes, totally here for it. And you'll be hearing about it like ad nauseum once I use it. The Kim KW by Mario palette. I haven't used it yet, but I finally got to swatch it. I lost this before I went to New York. And I mean, these three colors here. Yes, yes, yes. I can't wait to use it. Mario's an excellent artist. He knows what he's doing. I have no doubt this is going to be good. Just the color scheme with all the bronzes and neutral colors. Maybe it might not be in my favorites. Maybe it will. We'll find out. Here I have an honorable mention. This is the Pinks and Palms palette. I really do like this. I like the colors. I like the combination. I feel like some of the colors perform better than others, but you know, it's not very expensive and it's got such a good fun variety of colors for summer. So I'm giving it an honorable mention. It's not going to be in my favorites of the year. I think my favorites at the end of the year, I don't know. We'll see what else comes out throughout the year, but I do like the color scheme and it's fun and I can create a fun look. Just can't do a whole lot with it. And let me answer your question right off. Born to Run, is this going to be in my favorites? I don't know yet. I've used several of the colors. I don't feel that I've used it enough to know yet. I've used it 4 times. I don't feel I've played with it enough to give you really my bottom line on it. But my guess is that you will see this again. I love this green. I don't wear greens very often, but this is such a good green, and these are great colors. Oh gosh, yes, I like it. I like it. Do I love it? I don't know yet. It does inspire me. It totally has inspired me to have a lot more fun than I would have had without it. Let me tell you that. I want to talk about these little mini Hudas. If you followed me for very long, you'll know that I didn't really like the Desert Dusk. It was kind of all too red for my particular coloring. It looked beautiful on some people. It just didn't work for me. Little Obsessions palettes are pretty good. I've only used this Gemstones, and I've used the Smoky. And I've used the Smoky, which I filmed in a look for the Makeup Show LA. But I love this. If you love a good shimmer, these are good shimmers. Use a brush that's loosely packed so that you can dig into the pigment, or use your fingers if you like to do that. Okay, now we're getting into my favorites. This Alamar Cosmetics palette from BoxyCharm. Hello, this girl came right out of the box with a really excellent palette. This palette is so much fun. Oh my gosh. I mean, look at this. These are like the colors of the Urban Decay Beach, kind of. Like, I mean, come on. And they're really good. They're really well pigmented. And I hope to see more from this brand. I love this palette. It's called the Reina del Caribe. You know you want it. It's such a good palette. So on trend and great quality. Let's talk about Deck of Scarlet. It is a subscription box that is curated with an influencer. Oops. This one was with Kim Tai. This is palette number 8. I love this color so much. It's such a beautiful pink. And it's not going to show true. Oh, there you go. Beautiful pink with reflect. Oh gosh. And this and the blush and the highlighter is so good. Everything about this. Great quality. This one came with a lip gloss that is stunningly beautiful. This is a subscription box. You can subscribe. I'll put the details somewhere, either down below or across the screen. You can subscribe or you can buy individual boxes. I just got number 9 and I am so excited to use that and to film. I also have number 7, which is Roxana Risa's. And hers is really good too. I wanted to showcase the Deck of Scarlet because the quality is so good. And this one is my favorite so far, but I can't wait to try the next one. This is in the running for one of the palettes of the year for sure. This is the Pixie by Wiley. Oh my gosh, my hand looks huge. This is the Pixie by Wiley. It comes with a dual-ended liner. It's waterproof. It's got a great smudgeability. It's black. It's got a felt eyeliner and a great smudgeability for the lower line. It'll last forever. Pixie liners are so good, you guys. You guys gotta know they're so good. They stay put. These are excellent neutral colors that everybody would like. Everybody can use them. Get this one for sure before the collab runs out. It's not very expensive. It's excellent quality. Really good neutrals. So say you want to take some color somewhere, whether it's orange or purple or blue, and you want to take a color palette traveling with you, throw this one in. Goes with everything. Easy to carry. You want to get this palette. Gone from the shelves, but never, never forgotten and never far away from my hand is the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette, the Kaleidoscope palette. I love this palette. This is a good crease color. It's a really good crease color. These are fun pops or liners or whatever you want to do. And this is a duochrome here. It has this one shade here and this other shade there, which you can't see right now. Anyway, this is a great palette. If you ever see it in Nordstrom Rack or Marshalls or whatever, and you like to use a colored liner, or you like to use a pop of color anywhere on your eyes, or you like to do a full out, full bloom, colorful look, I'm here for you, babe. Get this palette. You knew Viseart was coming, right? Of course you did. You knew Viseart was coming. The Tryst palette. Oh my gosh, yes. So here for it. Come on, show up true to color. There you go. Peachy pinks, purpley. This brown is my favorite brown ever. It's a brownie plum. I love to use it as a liner. You may have seen my Get Ready With Me using the Siren palette and the Tryst palette. And if you didn't, go watch it, duh. But anyway, this is one of the best palettes of the year. Let's talk about greens again, since we were just talking about them a minute ago in the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Okay, Absinthe. I've only had this since May. I've only worn it once because I'm doing neons for summer, although I'm also doing a lot of purple because, hello, green eyes, purple, blah. Anyway, this is a great palette. This has such beautiful greens. I've swatched it a million times before. So much better in person than what I thought it was gonna be. I wasn't sure if I really wanted it until I saw it in person. I fell in love because it's got such beautiful, rich, dynamic colors. You don't want to miss this one. If you love green, this is your palette. While we're on Viseart, let's talk about the Cool Mattes 2 palette. This one I meant to put in my honorable mentions because I don't feel that I've used it enough to say whether it's one of my favorites or not, but these are the colors that I'm wearing today. I can't wink with this eye. Maybe I can. Anyway, these are the colors that I'm wearing today. I'm wearing some blush and some contour, kind of in my crease, sort of. and then Dior highlighter up here. But I'm wearing these two, and then this as a darkening effect there on the outer. I'm really thoroughly enjoying it, but honestly, this look or something like it is the only thing I've done with this palette so far, because I go to try to use something else and I think these purples are so beautiful. They're kind of lilac-y, they're kind of soft. They're so beautiful. So I don't know where this will end up at the end of the year. I can't say. I can't even say where it is now, but I know that I like it. I just thought I should tell you that it deserves a mention. Definitely deserves a mention, especially if you love those cool tones or if you love purples. Oh my gosh, those are great purples. Okay, these next two are definitely, I've already decided, they're definitely going to be at the top of my yearly favorites. This is the Biker Babe by Velvet 59. This is a new up-and-coming brand. This pink, so gorgeous, so beautiful, just beautiful. I got this through Octoly. I had a little bit of familiarity with the brand, having seen their booth before at Cosmoprof North America. The things in it were beautiful, but unfortunately the owner had an emergency and wasn't able to be there, so there's nobody to talk to. But look, these are really good neutrals, a nice good crease color, good highlighting colors, good other colors, and this pop is so beautiful. I only took this palette and one other, which I'm just about to tell you about, when I went to the makeup show New York, because I had only had it a couple of weeks, but I knew that I just loved it that much. So the other palette that I took is so far my favorite of the year. It's the one that I've worn the most since I got it, and I think this palette truly goes with any look, any clothing that you have, anything. I think it goes with any color. And this is the Viseart Siren palette. It's incredibly beautiful. Sorry, when I get hot, my veins just all stick out. Anyway, this is so easy to create wearable, beautiful looks with. You can have, you know, an upscale, fancy chic look, or you can have just a wearable, I'm in my jeans look. It literally goes with everything. It'll go with every single color of clothing that you wear. This so far is my top pick. This is my second top pick so far for this year. So I hope you enjoyed watching my picks, and we'll see you later. Thanks for stopping. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Be part of our squad. I want to have you here. Thanks for joining me. Bye.